explosion again.
Yeah, let's go!
Let's go, baby!
I'm jumping over it!
And I'm eating Mentos right now. Oh, Mentos are good. Let's do this Diet Coke explosion, baby!
This will be better
I'm
than
so
last
hyped.
time.
This is gonna be way better than last time.
Can I say?
I'm gonna slow-mo it. Let's go!
Hi!
Alright, so this is after the explosion, the aftermath. Simon claims that he'll drink that. The Coke that's left in there.
Look at that oil!
Is that oil?
Yeah, that's oil.
From what?
Hey, look, it's a Mento! Two of them!
Put it in.
Oh, it probably popped out when it was exploding.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're actually kind of fit.
Are you gonna drink it?
Yeah, let's go. How much? Any money? Yeah, 10. Nah, he's not drinking it because I'm not giving it to him. 5.
Just do it.
One
For
buck.
YouTube. Do it for YouTube and I'll give you a shout. I'll give your channel a shout out. Okay?
And
Is
it's
it- we're-
don't do it! Don't do it!
And
Don't
it's
do
switch.
it!
And it's switch.
Give me two, Frankie. Give me two.
3, 2.
Can I get a half of one?
Oh, that is straight content.
Wait!
Ew.
No!
What do you have to say about that, Frankie?
He's retarded.
I gotta bleep that out now,
I want
Frankie.
to say something.
He's like,
I'm still drinking.
No.
Sorry.
Do it again.
It tastes like regular
Do it again. He's gonna throw up.
Oh, no.
Hey, can I say something?
Simon's still drinking some stuff. Oh God. Oh, he's gonna throw. Oh, this kid really just threw up. Oh. Oh. All right, I gotta go. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.